LG and let me show you how to install apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open a list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, then scroll down, find and select security, which is under personal, then scroll down one more time and here you will notice unknown sources tab. So if you would like to allow installation of apps from sources other than Google Play Store, simply tap on this switcher and just take the responsible for you by tapping on OK. So if any damage will be caused by those applications, then it will be all for you. And then if you would like to switch off unknown sources, simply click on the same switcher and from now on you will not be able to install applications from other sources than Google Play Store. And that's basically all. This is how you can allow unknown sources in your LG. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.